Many of us will be using some OTT platforms for content viewing. In this video, we'll be telling about one application that will help you to get cashback when you're subscribing to your favorite OTT platforms. For this, you need to install one application. App link is given in the description. You can download it from there. App name is Fleek. After installing this application, open this application. First, you will be asked to log in. You can either log in with WhatsApp or your phone number. I have logged in using my phone number. Now this app is ready. When you're scrolling down, you can see some options. Here you can see so many categories: OTT, music, health, learning, etc. If you are clicking on OTT, you can see every offers in OTT platforms. Here you can see up to 22% off, 46% off, etc. If you want to subscribe to any OTT platforms, just click on that and here you can see offers. Here you can see normal cost is $199 and I can get this subscription for $107. But important thing you should notice that you should be using Fleek coins. To get Fleek coin, what you need to do is, here you can see spin option. When you are spinning, you can get Fleek coins. Every day you can spin. Or otherwise, if you are referring anyone, you will get 50 Fleek coins for free. And if you are joining this application for the first time, you will get some Fleek coins free. In this app, not only OTT platforms are there, music, health, learning, productivity apps are also there. You can subscribe to whichever platforms you want. And here center you can see one button. When you are clicking on that, here it is showing my subscriptions. Amazon Prime is expired in 1 week and Sony Live is expired in 2 months. If you want to renew, you can renew it from here. Just click on this and here you can see slide to renew. By clicking on that, you can renew with offers. So this way you can get some cashback when you are subscribing to your favorite OTT platforms or other subscription platforms. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.